Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to add sample in FL Studio 21. Firstly, this is the quickest way to import individual samples into your FL Studio playlist. Firstly, open the folder on your computer where your audio sample is stored. Now, drag the sample from the folder and drop it onto the FL Studio playlist. The sample will automatically be added as an audio clip and placed in the playlist. You'll see it from the waveform appears. Now you can play, edit, or arrange the sample. Or you can just open FL Studio, press F8 and go to View then Browser to open the browser. Find the sample folder on your computer and drag the folder into the FL Studio's browser to add it to your sample library. Now you can drag samples from the FL Studio browser directly into your playlist or channel rack. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.